Hello everyone, this is my programmable 4-bit binary counter, and in my design I choose to use switch 0 to 5 as the input. The switch 0 to 3 are used for are used to store the input mode value, and switch 4 is used to control the input enable, and the switch 5 is used to control the input direction, and the button there on the button 2 is used here for the reset, and for LED from 3 to 0 are used to show the output of the counter. And if we click start to if we click start to run on the board, and here we go. If we put the mode value to be 1001, and we make the to be 1001, because right now the button 2 is 1, it's unpressed, so it's 1 right now. So the mode value has been saved into the whole system and the output should be 0 because reset is working. And if we press the button 2, which means that the reset should turn to 0. Reset turn to 0, and if we make the enable to work, so we make the switch 4 to 1, so it can enable so it can cause the counter to start counting. And as you can see from here, it's now counting up 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and the upper limit for this counter right now is 1001, because we have set the upper limit here from switch 3 to switch 0, and we can see it again. The upper limit is 1001 and go back to 0, right? And if we make the enable switch 4 to be 0, so because right now no power has been supported to the circuits, the enable terminal is turned off, so it will keep the value and no change at all. And maybe okay, so right now if we leave the button to up, so right now the reset is 1, so the output is 0 because we reset it, and we want the new value maybe this time to be 1111. Okay, so the new value is 1111 for the mode value, right? And because the reset is 1, so it has been already put into the system and has been stored. And if we make we want the direction to be 1, so it can counting down. So this is switch 5 counting down, and we also need the enable terminal to be 1, so it can give the power, right? And we press the button, so the reset should be 0, and the enable is 1, direction is 1, so it can counting down. Let's see whether it works. Yeah, it's counting down. And from the 1111 value, the upper limit is 1111, and it's counting down nearly around around every second, like it will flash every second. And counting down to 0 and go back to the mode value again. So it's successful right now. And if we want to do more change, like we want the direction to be 0, so it will start from the value it was and start to counting up, right? So we make the switch 5 to be 0 and see. Oh, it's counting down, it's counting up, yay. And that's what we expect. Like, no matter when we change the input, the output should change correspondingly, right? And this is my design. Thank you.